Hi, here I am again. I am doing the colour work in the top half of my jumper. I've had a virus now. We all have for all week, and it's not very nice, just getting over it. So this is really cute and I absolutely love it. I've managed to do it. It's the first time I've done this sort of colour work stuff. This top half is called the yoke, and on my pattern it is that way, so I am here, so I've got all that to go. I thought I'd show you how far I've got, and it gives me something to do because I'm just sat here getting better from my virus. There we are. Take care. Bye bye for now.